It's a beautiful weekend here in Slidell, and we are here to catch the St. Patrick's Day parade. And you'll be so surprised. You've never seen such a parade ever in your life where you can catch some real goodies. Come on and join us. Celebrating St. Patrick's Day here in New Orleans is a cabbage catching tradition. St. Patrick's Day stands out as a testament to the Irish impact on the city's vibrant heritage. The unique practice of tossing cabbages, potatoes, and other vegetables to the crowd is a NOLA, or New Orleans specific interpretation of Mardi Gras custom.
Oh boy, she got a tutu.
Every time my camera shake like that, it means I caught something. Some of these cute little dancers are probably, I don't know, 7 years old, 6 years old, maybe 5. They're so tiny. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Got one? Oh my God. You got a little bag? A pink one. Almost lost it.
We had so much fun. It's not just like catching of the cabbage, potato, lemon, onion, garlic, all kinds of good stuff, even a pineapple. It's just the idea of coming out here and having so much fun. Oh, you should see our loot. Look at our loot. That's a lot. I don't know where else throw cabbages like that on St. Patrick's Day Parade.
54 floats. 54 floats. That's what our loot is. Plus a hula hoop. And the other side's still going.
And a pirate sword.
Look at that. Oh my God.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up and comment down below. What do you think I'm gonna do with all these vegetables that I got? Look at this loot. Till next time, bye!